In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Avada Kedavra in Hogwarts Legacy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire and use Avada Kedavra in the game. So, Avada Kedavra, or the Killing Curse, is a very powerful but sinister dark spell in Hogwarts Legacy. In order to learn the spell, you will have to get it through a certain relationship quest. Keep in mind that this can only be unlocked very late into the game, so if you were expecting to get it early, unfortunately you will just have to keep playing. And usually the relationship quest that gives you Avada Kedavra is very hard to miss. The specific Hogwarts Legacy relationship quest that you need to do is Sebastian's. So progress through Sebastian Sallow's relationship quest line. This involves completing his previous quests, and the key quest for Avada Kedavra specifically is going to be In the Shadow of a Relic. Unlocked after finishing In the Shadow of Hope and a main story quest, Lodoc's Loyalty. So it's recommended to be level 28 for this quest, just so you have a certain idea. Now, during the quest, after certain fights, you will have a conversation with Sebastian's where he offers to teach you Avada Kedavra. Choose Everyone Should Know That Curse and then confirm with Yes Please, and you will learn the spell. So after you learn Avada Kedavra, as you might expect, it is going to one-shot anything in the overworld. Keep in mind that you cannot use it against students, but besides this, you will always have it available, and you can use it as long as you have it equipped on your spell bar. You can use it to instantly defeat any opponent as long as they are not a student, and it's always going to be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to use and unlock Avada Kedavra in Hogwarts Legacy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.